Hello guys and welcome to another YouTube video. Today I'll be showing you how do you fix ChatGPT at capacity error on iPhone is what I'm using, but it works for the process is same for any device you're using. So first of all, I'm gonna open up my Safari browser. I already have ChatGPT open and it says ChatGPT is at capacity right now. So right now it says you must know that ChatGPT is something like really trendy right now, and all of the world is trying to use it. So that is probably the reason why ChatGPT is at capacity, and they're probably doing some maintenance. But there are some things that you can make sure that you can do to make sure that the problem is not on your end. The first thing would be to just simply refresh your ChatGPT website, and that does not seem to be working for me. Additionally, you can go ahead and check if your Wi-Fi is sufficient, your mobile data is sufficient, or you can just turn your airplane mode on, and then you can restart your networks, and that should fix if there was any network error. But essentially why this is down is because ChatGPT is like being used all over the world right now, and they are at max capacity right now. So one more thing you can do is you can press on the get notified when they're back, and you can enter your email, and then they will notify you when ChatGPT is back. So basically ChatGPT seems to be having a problem right now, so the only way to fix it is by making sure that your internet seems to be working fine or using another device. So otherwise, if it still is not working, that means that it is some problem on ChatGPT's backend, and they need to fix it for you guys. So that is pretty much all from this video. I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you guys.